Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on the second in a series. The first piece in this series I drew before I started my YouTube channel, so I obviously don't have a recording of that, but you can kind of see it up in the corner there. I'll put a bigger version of that first piece in the series on screen. This series is based on sort of the three, I want to say muses, but I don't think that's it. Sort of the three goddesses, the whole trifecta of the maiden, the mother, and the crone. And it's also based on the Gulabi goat. It's possible you have seen that viral post from Tumblr where it's like this picture of this extremely pretty looking goat. Like, it's kind of amazing how pretty this goat looks. And then somebody else responds with like, this is a Gulabi goat. And if you think it's pretty now, look at what it looks like when it gets older. And the older version of the goat is significantly less pretty. I'll leave it at that. But, I was just really inspired by, the way this goat looks and changes as it ages, and I wanted to draw something that was inspired by that. And originally I didn't intend for this to be a series, I think. I don't know. I drew the original one, like a year and a half ago. It was, I believe, May of 2017. So it took me a bit to get to this second piece, and hopefully I'll do the third one before a year and a half from now. But I think when I started, I didn't intend for this to be a series. I did the one based on the young Gulabi goat because I was just really inspired. And then I thought, well, hey, I could expand on this. I could make this more than just this one. So I wanted to continue it with the mother, and then, the crone later. That'll be coming. And for this, I wanted to capture the essence of what made the first piece what it was, while also obviously bringing in the elements that differentiated it. And so for the first piece, since that one was kind of like spring and youth and birth and, all of that, the young, I'm making gestures with my hands that you cannot see right now, but I think you know what I'm getting at. For the mother, I wanted to bring in more elements of fall, and also because the first one, I drew it in the spring, and now I'm doing this one in the fall. Although I started the sketch for this piece in February, and I didn't quite get to it until early last month. And now, it's been about a month later, and I'm finally turning this into a video. I march to the beat of my own drum, and things take me a really long time to do. Anyway, for this, I wanted to bring in fall, and I know when I was planning the piece, I sort of looked up symbols of the mother and like tying that in, and I've forgotten pretty much everything that I looked up at this point, but I like the aesthetics of how it turned out, so we're just gonna leave it at that. And at this point, I don't have much more to say about this piece, so I think I'll just leave the rest of it to music and have that be that. And here is the final piece. If you like this piece, there will be prints and merchandise featuring this on my Redbubble shop, link down in the description. That's ardenrachelart.redbubble.com. Again, link will be down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for updates on future videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.